Assemble your Servit large square backpack delivery bag in a few quick and easy steps. Begin by matching the smaller corrugated plastic sheets with the smaller foam insulation sheets so that you have two pairs. Repeat this for the larger corrugated plastic sheets and insulation sheets. Next, completely open and unzip the front panel of the bag for insertion of sheets. Unzip the zippers on the two sides, front and bottom, located on the edges of the inside of the backpack, producing pockets for the panels. Insert the larger sets of the corrugated plastic and insulation sheets into the left and right side openings, making sure that the insulation sheet is the innermost layer and the corrugated plastic sheet is the outermost layer. Repeat for the left side opening. Then repeat this process for the top and bottom of the bag by using the smaller corrugated plastic sheets and the smaller foam insulation sheets. Next, zip up the two sides, front and bottom zippers, closing the compartments that now hold the corrugated plastic sheets and insulation sheets. Use any of the three aluminum dividers with hook and loop strips to create shelves and separate compartments within your delivery bag. When installing, make sure the hook and loop strips on the sides are facing up. This will prevent your shelves from sagging and provide more stability for heavier contents. Now you're ready to load up your Servit backpack for delivery. Simply load it up, zip up the front panel, and you're on your way.